Om Shanti, morning Murli, 5th January. Sweet letter of Bap Dada for sweet children. Essence, sweet children, your old life has changed and you have now received a new life because now that you have become God's children, you have love for the one Father. Sweet children, your old life has changed and you have now received a new life because now that you have become God's children, you have love for the one Father. Question: what is the main sign of Brahmins who are to become deities? What is the main sign of Brahmins who are to become deities? Answer: Brahmins, the mouth-born creation of Brahma. All follow the one direction. They never have any difference of opinion. They never have any conflict. Worldly Brahmins have many different opinions. Some call themselves one type of Brahman and others call themselves another type of Brahman. You Brahmins are becoming deities by following the direction of one Father. Deities can never have conflict among themselves. Song: the day we met one another. The day we met one another. Om Shanti. When embodied souls meet the Supreme Soul, that is, when children meet their Father, there is new love because your love breaks away from others. For instance, a Kumari first has love for those in her parents' home. When she becomes engaged, new love is connected with others. The whole in-laws family is new to her. There is new love in the new world, and so there is love for the whole new family. It is sung, souls remain separated from the Supreme Soul for a long time. So this beautiful meeting is new. This beautiful meeting is new. This home is new and the relationships are also new. You know that you are Brahma Kumars and Kumaris. You are no longer Shudra Kumars and Kumaris. Brahma and Brahma Kumars and Kumaris have so much love for one another because you are God's children. God is incorporeal. There has to be love for Him in the corporeal form. How can you love for the incorporeal one? How can you love the incorporeal one? When a soul separates from a body, there is no love. Only when souls meet the Supreme Soul in the corporeal form can there be love. You continue to sing about the form of the incorporeal one. You are the mother and father, and when you come, we will be able to receive plenty of happiness because of your mercy. O purifier, come. You call out, O purifier, come. When Bharat was great, there was a lot of happiness. It was called the land of happiness, and this is the land of sorrow. The place where souls resides is the land of peace. Souls there remain pure. Souls there remain pure. Impure souls cannot stay there. You have now found the Father, and so each of you has received a new life. Your old life has changed, and you are now creating a new life. You are claiming your inheritance of unlimited happiness from your Father. Only in Bharat, in heaven, is there a plenty of happiness. There is plenty of peace in the land of Nirvana, our home. Therefore, you should explain that souls are residents of the land of peace. The Father too is the resident there. He does not enter the cycle of birth and death like we do. He too is a soul, but he is a supreme soul. He too is a soul, but he is a supreme soul. He resides in the supreme abode. We souls who also reside there are the children of the Supreme Father, the Supreme Soul. The home of all of us is there. We all remember our home. When someone dies, people say, so and so has gone to the land beyond. That is the place beyond sound. We are residents of the place where there is not even a shadow of the sun or moon, etc. We now continue to remember Baba. When the Father comes, he tells us new things once again. If people were to understand this drama, they would say that every step we take at every second is new. The unlimited drama continues to turn. The Father comes and tells you new things. He makes you children into the knowers of the three aspects of time and those with the third eye. He makes you children into the knowers of the three aspects of time and those with the third eye. The Father is the master of the Brahmand and also the master of the three words because he gives you the knowledge of all three words. You don't become the masters of the three words. You become emperor and empresses, the masters of the word. To be the masters of the three words means to know the three words. You become the masters of just the one word of heaven. These are new things. You become Baba's children in order to claim your inheritance from him. To explain to anyone is very easy. To explain to anyone is very easy. Ask them, what is your relationship with God? God is the creator of heaven. He is the mother and father. So God can never be called the creator of the hell or the creator of the land of sorrow. No. The Supreme Father, the Supreme Soul establishes heaven through Brahma. He would definitely create the new world of heaven. God first creates the new Brahmans. God first creates the new Brahman religion through Brahma. He teaches them Raj Yoga and they then changes from Brahman into deities. Therefore, Brahmans are created through Brahma. And then there is the deity religion through Vishnu. You becomes Brahman at this time. You become Brahmans at this time and you become warriors too. You go into the religion of Vishnu. You go into the religion of Vishnu. You have now come into the godly religion or the Brahman religion. Then in future you will go into the deity religion. The Brahman religion is also needed. Brahmans, the mouth-born creation, are created through the father of people, Brahma. They are the children. Sannyasis too create through the mouth, but they don't create children. They create followers. There is not a family. They say through their mouths, you are my followers. A family will receive an inheritance. You children know that day by day, the number of the mouth-born children will continue to increase. There will continue to be many who becomes BKs. There will continue to be many who become BKs. There will definitely be the same number of Brahmans as there are to be deities. The Supreme Father, the Supreme Soul, changes women into Brahman and then into deities through Brahma, who would therefore definitely become the master of heaven. Who would therefore definitely become the master of Brahman, heaven, sorry. This is why there is the praise. It did not take God long to change women into deities. So Baba comes and tells you new thing for the new word. Because these are new things for the new word, they are not mentioned in the scriptures. And this is why people become confused. This is your godly community. This is your godly community. However, those who become God's children and then divorce him become part of the devilish community. Become part of the devilish community. Once you say Mama Baba and hear this knowledge, you will definitely receive an inheritance. So you continue to say Mama and Baba. You even write Pita Shri and Mateshwari. Brahma, the father of people, is very well known. Shiv Baba is also very well known. The soul says, "Oh God, the Father." The Father says, "First of all, I adopt Brahma, the father of people." So all of you are Brahmins, the adoption of Brahma, and so you are a new creation. Are you not? You must definitely be many in number. How could so many of you be born through poison? How could so many of you be born through poison? Brahma, the father of people, and Jagdamba, the word mother, are remembered. There is one Brahma, one Vishnu, and one Lakshmi and Narayan, and one Jagdamba, word mother. You will not see them with the same features again. Every human being is seen with the same features after a cycle. Here they make just one being with many different features. How many people have the name Radhe and Krishna? Here many people have the name Radhe, Krishna, but they don't understand that Radhe and Krishna are the names of the first princes and prince of heaven. We are impure, and so how could we have those names? Shiv Baba tells you these new things. These are new things and new knowledge for the new world. The Father says, I told you these new things in the previous cycle, and I am now telling you once again. You are now listening to me. Baba is asking, you are now listening to me. When you have become deities, this knowledge will have ended. The climb is so high. It is also sung, there are those who are amazed by this knowledge. They belong to the Father, listen to the knowledge and related it to others. And then, oh Maya, they ran away. They ran away, so they cannot then say to anyone, come to the BKs. This too is fixed in the drama. It is nothing new. Many will come and go. Even some of those who are here in the bhatti were defeated by Maya and ran away. They will go to heaven. According to the effort they made, that will be their status. If any of you ask about yourself or your relatives, you can be told, and you can also understand for yourself what your status would be in the situations. What your status would be in that situation. The Father sits here and will explain about the conference of all the religions that there is in Delhi. They hold conferences to have peace on earth so that they can unite and become one. So that they can unite and become one. However, they cannot become one. They hold a conference for all the religious heads, but they don't know how the religions come into existence number-wise. What is the number one religion? Religious heads means only those who established a religion should attend. For instance, when they hold a conference of chief ministers, collectors or judges, cannot attend. When governors hold a conference for themselves, only governors would attend them. Yes, a governor could bring his private secretary with him. Just think about how all of those religions are established. Just think about how all of those religions are established number-wise. What is the greatest religion? The original eternal religion was that of the deities. Where is the head of that religion? Baba is asking, where is the head of that religion? Who established that religion? Krishna does not exist now. Otherwise, there would also have been those who believe in Krishna. Those people are Vallabhachari, means vegetarian. So they are definitely used to be our deity religion, but they then speak of the Hindu religion. However, there is not anyone of the Hindu religion. There is not anyone of the deity religion either. Therefore, the heads of the religions should come. They can bring their secretaries with them. There are only four main religions. There are only four main religions. Their heads have to come together. Who is the head of the deity religion? Who is the head of the deity religion? It is sung, goddess of knowledge, Saraswati and Brahma, the father of people. So they must definitely be the seniors. They too would understand that the Brahman religion was created through Brahma. But they don't know how Brahmins are educated and made into deities. Those Brahmins also say they are the children of Brahma, but they don't know how they were created. There are different types of those Brahmins. Here, the children of Brahma are just Brahmins. There is no conflict between them. Among other Brahmins, there is conflict, but not here. Among other Brahmins, there is conflict, but not here. There is never conflict among the deities either. All of those who belong to the Sun dynasty belong to the Sun dynasty. There is no difference there. So much damage is caused by conflict. So much damage is caused by conflict. You are listening to new things from the Father. He does not sing songs but gives you a knowledge of a new type. He gives you knowledge of the whole word cycle and you therefore have to imbibe it. You should not diverse such a father, teacher and guru and stop studying. You should not diverse such a father, teacher and guru and stop studying. To stop studying means to leave the father. If you are not student, you are not children either. To leave the father means to lose the inheritance. So only the one father is a purifier. The father says it is now the time of settlement and everyone has to return home after settling their accounts. When gold is put on a fire, it becomes pure. The whole world is to be set on fire. However, you would not be able to be purified in that fire. Here it is the question of power of yoga, or else you will shed your bodies after experiencing punishment. The accounts of sin will be settled and you will become pure and then return home. This is the time of the return journey. There is the Mahabharat War too. There is the Mahabharat War too. People also celebrate Holi. The kingdom of Ravan is to end and then the kingdom of Rama, there will be a very few people. Now in the kingdom of Ravan, there are so many people. When will all of those souls go? Where will all of those souls go? Surely the liberator is also needed. The father says, I will take everyone back home. I will take everyone back home. I will ignite everyone's lamp and take them back home. They will then have to play their own parts. You know that you will go into the deity religion. You will go to the land of liberation and then come back again. You will become part of the sun and moon dynasties and experience 84 births. The whole cycle will be in your intellects. Souls can say, come and I will tell you Shiv Baba's occupation. No one except you children can say this. They say that the Supreme Soul is incorporeal and so what would you say is his occupation? So what would you say is his occupation? Oh, but he is the purifier. Therefore, he surely has to come here. Therefore, he surely has to come here to purify you. We can tell you how he teaches us Raj Yoga and establishes the deity religion through Brahma. Baba sits here and explains everything. He would only explain to the children. He would only explain to the children. Those who studied in the previous cycle will study again. If they are unable to study, they run away. So it is nothing new. Nevertheless, Baba always have love for the children, that the poor children should still come and claim their full inheritance from the Father. However, if it is not in their fortune, what can one do? The Father has love for them. On the path of devotion, you remembered the Father a great deal. Those who belong to the deity religion must definitely have been remembering him. Those who belong to the deity religion must definitely have been remembering him. You remembered him a great deal for half the cycle. Souls experience happiness, and so they also remember the Father at the times of sorrow. Souls do a lot of devotion and then change from worshippers to being worthy of worship. The sapling of those who were deities is now being planted. Therefore, wherever there are conferences, those of the main religions should be invited. If they were to invite the BKs, they would be given proper advice. Only Brahma Kumar and Kumaris, the children of Brahma, the father of people, can give proper advice. But what is to be done? About what is to be done, you want peace, but only in the land of Nirvana can there be peace. It is now the land of sorrow, and there are the innumerable religions. When there was one religion, there was everything. There was peace and happiness. Destruction will now definitely take place. Therefore, you should be happy. The gates to heaven are opening. You daughters have to explain in this way. Do you understand? You daughters have to explain in this way. Do you understand? Acha, to the sweetest, beloved, long lost and now found children, love, remembrance and good morning from the mother, the father, Bap Dada. The spiritual father says namaste to the spiritual children, and we spiritual children says namaste, good morning to our sweetest spiritual father. Essence for dharana: first, never leave the father or stop studying, and thereby lose your inheritance. Never leave the father or stop studying and thereby lose your inheritance. Remain united in one direction. Second, in order to become free from punishment, settle all your past accounts with the power of yoga. Blessing. Feel Baba's hand on your head and take blessing. May you become double light by having the awareness of being a trustee and considering yourself to be an instrument as you carry out every task. May you become double light by having the awareness of being a trustee and considering yourself to be an instrument as you carry out every task. The consciousness of being an instrument easily finishes all burdens. The consciousness of being an instrument easily finishes all burdens. It is my responsibility. I alone have to look after it. I have to think about it. It then becomes a burden. It is the Father's responsibility, and Father has made me a trustee. That is an instrument. So become double light by having this awareness and continue to experience the flying stage. Where there is mind, there is burden. And so whenever you experience any burden in any task, check, am I still by mistake saying mine instead of yours? So whenever you experience any burden in any task, check, am I still by mistake saying mine instead of yours? Slogan, let there be soul conscious feeling and good wishes in every word, and none of your words will then go to waste. Let there be soul conscious feelings and good wishes in every word, and none of your words will then go to the waste. Om Shanti. Today's point: experience the stage of being merged in love. When someone is in the ocean, at that time he cannot see anything but the ocean. When someone is the ocean, at that time he cannot see anything but the ocean. In the same way, you children, merge yourself in the ocean of all virtues. You don't have to merge in the Father, but become merged in the Father's remembrance and in the ocean of love. Om Shanti. Thank you, Baba.